Rhode Island state leaders are urging residents to prepare for the storm. Team 10 coverage continues with Martha Constantinidis, who asked the governor about what the state is doing during the next few days.
Today, Governor Dan McKee outlined the state's readiness and how residents can stay safe during the storm. Let's take a look.
So we're expecting at least 12 inches of snow across much of the state. The heaviest snowfall on Sunday is expected between 2 o'clock and midnight.
Governor McKee and members of his administration speaking at the Emergency Management Agency and answering questions about Monday morning's commute to work.
Our mission is to have the roads cleared for rush hour on Monday morning, but if the heavy snowfall extends beyond 1 a.m. in the morning, that could push operations into Monday morning during rush hour.
The state says crews are already in motion with more than 500 state and vendor plows, roads pre-treated, and extra state police on patrol. Emergency shelters are also being activated statewide. If you need a warm place to go, you can call 211 for locations, but Rhode Island Energy adds power outages shouldn't be an issue.
We are not expecting widespread outages from this. Light and fluffy snow is not a concern for us. What is a concern for us is people driving and hitting our infrastructure, right, hitting our poles.
Many Rhode Islanders say they plan to stay in during the storm. Last-minute shoppers are hitting the stores to grab food and supplies.
We had a few confrontations. It was a lot of people were just all carts everywhere. Everyone was running around. Yeah, very crazy.
We're picking up some supplies, definitely some salt, Pokemon cards.
The governor emphasized the biggest thing you can do is stay home if you can, avoid unnecessary travel during the heaviest snow, and give plows room to work safely.
Look, we've gone through these before. We're Rhode Island, and we've had storms before, and we know that the complications come with travel that is unnecessary travel, and that gets in the way of the plowing.
State offices in Rhode Island will shift to an adverse weather policy beginning Sunday afternoon. State officials haven't yet decided whether a vehicle ban with Massachusetts and Connecticut is needed yet. In Cranston, Martha Constantinidis, NBC 10 News.